Hello everyone, myself Ahmed Raza. I'm going to start quadratic equation. So, in chapter of the quadratic equation, yes. So, if we have a equation like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then it is called the quadratic equation. Means the highest power of the variable is 2. So, it's a quadratic. And the maximum possible solution of this quadratic equation is 2. So if we want to write the solution of this quadratic equation, so we have a formula. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it is a formula. We can directly calculate the value of the x1 and x2 if we will say x1 and x2 is the solution of these equations. And generally we call the solutions alpha and beta. So we can say that alpha is equal to the plus and beta is equal to the minus 1, where it is written alpha is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and the beta is equal to minus of b minus of under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, and we are saying the solution of the 2 because the degree of this equation is 2. The maximum possible solution of any equation of the polynomial, that will be the equal to the that degree is equal to 2. So here there is a two solution, alpha and beta. So if we want to find out the value of the alpha plus beta, then what will be the alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to the sum of the given values. So it will be minus of b upon minus b plus plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it will make of the minus 2 times. Okay. So it will make of the minus of the 2 times. It's by 2a. So 2 cancel out. Then alpha plus beta is equal to the minus of b by a. Okay. So it is the equation. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So the relation between the solution of the quadratic equations. And we want to find out the value of the alpha into beta. And then here we will take the multiple of these two. So multiple of these two means 2a into 2a, that will make up the 4a square. So we are writing the 4a square in denominator, and minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac and minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac means it is making the formula of a plus b into a minus b. So we can write of the minus of b square minus of under root of b square minus 4ac square. So it will be the b square minus of b square plus of 4ac, okay, upon 4a square. So here it will be the cancel out, and it is making of the 4ac upon 4a square. So 4 and 4 will be the cancel out, and a the power will be the cancel out. So it will make of c by a. So we can say that alpha into beta, here we are writing alpha into beta is equal to the c by a. So it is the relation between the multiple of the roots, multiple of the solutions. And if we want to the difference of these equations, so alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta is equal to the alpha plus beta ka whole square minus of the 4 alpha beta under root. It is the difference. So alpha plus beta we already know. The minus of b upon a whole square minus of 4 into c upon a. Okay. So here it will be the b square minus of the 4ac upon a. Okay, upon a square, because a square in the b square by a square, okay, and we want to take the root of these values. So it will make up b square minus 4ac is nothing but the value of the d, and d for the discriminant, which is decide how will our root, okay. We have already know b square minus 4ac, it is the d, it is the d for discriminant, okay. So we can write of this root of d upon a. So alpha minus beta difference can be write as the root of d by a. Okay. So we want to know that about the d. So we are taking up the line here. D is equal to b square minus of the 4ac. Okay. If we are taking the d is equal to d greater than 0. Okay. D greater than 0 means under root, the value of the under root will be positive, so the root will come out the real and unequal, means distinct, real and distinct, okay. And if d is equal to 0, then the root will be the real and equal, real and equal. And if d less than 0 means the root will be imaginary root, means root will not be exist in the real form, the root imaginary, imaginary. If we want to find out the derivation about the alpha plus beta and in alpha into beta in the form of the equation, so if we have a equation of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it is our quadratic equation, okay. If we are taking the common of a, okay, then it will make up the x square plus b by a into x and plus c by a, okay, is equal to 0. So we have already know that b by a is equal to alpha plus beta. So we can write of this equation a into x square plus alpha minus beta. We are taking the minus of common because minus of b by a, it will become. So here x square minus of alpha plus beta, okay, into x plus alpha beta. So it is our equation in the form of alpha plus beta and uh, into alpha plus beta and alpha beta form. Okay. So if we have any equations, uh, uh, means we have a given of the alpha and beta of any equation. So we can find out the equation of that quadratic equation. Okay. So that equation will be x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, because we can write that if the a which is taken as a common, that will go 0 by something, so that will make up the 0. So it is the equation of any quadratic equation in the form of their roots. So we can write of this equation x square minus alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So it is our equation in alpha beta form. Thank you very much.